Hey guys, hope you all well. You've seen the title, you know what we're gonna be talking about. I'm gonna be reviewing brand this time rather than the actual product. It's not sponsored in any way or any form, this video or anything. Spend my own money to get these. Gonna be talking about rituals, right? So I've been obsessed with their products. Obsessed is an understatement. So far, you know what? I'm gonna do a video about it and share this with you, so maybe you will love it as well as I do. As I mentioned, not sponsored, I wish you. Rituals, if you don't know, is a brand. I don't remember where we're from. I know it's European brand. I don't remember country, I'm so sorry. Because I thought originally that is Indian brand for some reason, because it's called Rituals and I get all this kind of vibe. So they are not PETA like certified or anything, but the brand is cruelty free and vegan friendly. I just don't know why we don't have like official label, but if you check anywhere online, they're vegan friendly and it's cruelty free. They don't test on animals, which is amazing. So I have two sets in here. It's exactly the same two sets, just different scents. That's my two favorite scents as well that I always like get, and if I can get my hands on it I get like more because I go through this honestly. This is so good. Okay, so what we have in this one is the Rituals of Sakura celebrate each day as a new beginning for renewing bestsellers body cream, shower foam, fragrance sticks, and body scrub. Just gonna take this sleeve off. 100% compostable. Amazing, right? Like the brand in general gives very like luxury vibe about it. It looks really nice, isn't it? Like this box and all. So I said many times in my videos before that the packaging doesn't matter, at least to me, if the product is really good, because a lot of times a lot of brands, what they do, they kind of sell you packaging so you buy with your eyes, and the product itself a lot of times, if I'm honest, is like, don't get me wrong, a lot of times it's amazing. Like, you know, the packaging is amazing and the products is amazing. A lot of times you get, you know, so hyped up because of this packaging, your eyes buying this, you know, look, and the product is not that good. So I'd rather have a proper product rather than the packaging, because I'm gonna use the product, not the packaging. If that makes sense. Another thing what I really love about the brand, that the packaging is compostable, you know, there's no plastic, so amazing. Yeah, so love this already. Okay, let's see what we got in this box. Ta-da! So it says once again 100% compostable. So we have the Rituals of Sakura celebrate each day as a new beginning. Sensational, not sensational, sensational. Love this. Foaming shower gel, organic rice milk, and cherry blossom. They celebrate each day body scrub and body cream, magic touch. And then the fragrance sticks. Okay, let's just take this out and see exactly what we have in here. Honestly, guys, if you haven't tried yet Rituals, you better go. It's quite pricey. It's not the cheapest brand, but totally worth it. Okay, so the shower gel. So this smell is organic rice and cherry blossom. Oh my god. If only you could smell it. So good. So good. I mean, you can't tell anything from the screen, but trust me, it's really good. And I'm that person who doesn't like really like smells in the cosmetics or anything. But this is good. Oh, you want this. So then we have the body scrub in here. I love it. Celebrate each day. Beautiful. Like, it kind of like affirmations, you know? It's a very positive brand, so I love that as well. This is good. So it looks like this. Just don't drop anything. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my goodness. So good. Okay, and then we have in here the Magic Touch Body Cream. We have a little message in here. So we say, in Japan, the annual flowering of Sakura has been celebrated for centuries and symbolizes the beauty of life. Make each day feel like a new beginning. Amazing, right? The smell is amazing. So this is my two favorite scents. So this one and then another box I'm gonna open soon. So cream is very rich, very like buttery. See? It's very thick, like. Yeah, this is amazing. And you literally feel like you after a spa when you use this product. I'm not joking. Try it for yourself. You can thank me later. As I said, this is not sponsored or anything. I just genuinely love a brand. So good. If only the camera would transfer the smell, guys. If only. Basically, all ingredients are good. It says leaves the skin feeling silky soft, combines the gentle fragrance of cherry blossoms with the caring properties of the rice milk. Okay, and then we have these scent sticks. Okay. And it says one beautiful fragrance can create many beautiful memories. Oh my god. A bit strong though. I like sniffed it properly. Like, it smells amazing. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, so this goes here, and then this sticks. It looks nice as well. I'm just gonna pop it in here. I haven't seen this. Spread a little happiness everywhere you go. Okay, so another pack that we have is just a different smell. My favorite as well. Exactly the same. This one is the Ritual of Ayurveda, the ancient art of living wisely. I don't know if it's worth for me to open all, but this smell is of the Indian rose and sweet almond oil. So let's just check the body cream from this one. Discover the ancient art of living wisely and chase peace and harmony in everyday life. Love those messages, like, love it. Look how pretty they look. Love the packaging, by the way. Like I mentioned before, the packaging doesn't really matter, but in this case the packaging actually matches the product. It's just as good. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, let's smell this one because it says sweet almond and Indian rose. If it's gonna smell any different at all. This one has more of a essential oil smell to that, but like very refreshing one. If that makes any sense what I'm saying. I'm so bad at describing the sense. Really love this brand, love the products, love the messages on all the packaging, and you know, all the creams made of love and so on. Love it. Everything is, you know, recyclable, compostable. They say, you know, it's a keepsake box, and really love this idea of a brand, and I'm so for it. I probably mentioned in couple of my videos for sure now. Recently I've been really into everything that is, you know, recyclable, and like I really care about the packaging, and I've noticed a lot of beauty and makeup brands in general, there's loads of plastic involved, like unnecessary plastic that could be easily avoided. Like this packaging could have been 100% plastic, but they chose to not do that. I'm pretty sure probably the cost of that is more expensive if you don't choose plastic, so maybe we pay a bit more extra from a product that is not packed in plastic. I don't know, I'm just saying, I'm totally guessing all of that, but I'm pretty sure it is, because if you think all the products that are not packed in a plastic is more, you know, paper-based or is recycled plastic, or you know, something compostable or anything like that, it's always a bit pricier rather than the product that uses plastic all over, you know, their packaging. The question actually, guys, would you pay extra penny for a product that is packed in recyclable material, therefore, you know, paper, carton thing or compostable thing or anything like this, or made from recycled materials? Or you would rather go for, you know, cheap packaging without any care, and you know, wouldn't put mind in that because you would care only about the product? I've talked about this before. I do care about the product rather more than the packaging, but I mean that when I talk about super pretty packaging, that you know, the brand is selling you packaging rather than the product. Because I personally rather would pay extra money and have a, you know, mindful packaging rather than the one that makes no sense and would just be a trash for a couple hundred years in our planet. So that's my question. Which one would you choose? Leave a comment down below, let me know. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments down below if you know this brand, if you use any of the products, or this is super new to you and you've never heard of them. I've been obsessed with this brand for a very long time, been really loving their products. It's really nice and smells amazing. It's like you having your own home spa. So I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. So please don't forget to press the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Leave a comment down below, let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Maybe I should review another brand. So yeah, leave a comment down below, let me know, and I shall see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching and bye! Have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!